We are paying more for just about everything this year, not just luxury items, but essentials like gas, food, and housing.
This morning, we're taking a 360 in-depth look at the financial struggles Coloradans are facing. We have the guaranteed income plan that would give people in one city a monthly cash payment. Also, the tax refund you'll get earlier than expected thanks to a bill Governor Polis just signed into law.
Plus, how the pandemic impacted Americans' financial health. And new numbers show just how much the wealth gap is widening between the rich and the poor. Denver 7's Christian Lopez starts our coverage live from Boulder this morning, though, where the city's guaranteed income plan has been in the works, and today they want to get specific about the rollout.
And the project is still in its early stages. The city still has to figure out who is eligible and how much money people would be getting. But back in March, City Council approved $250,000 for this guaranteed income pilot project. They hope to have this program for 1 to 2 years, and it would actually supplement other assistance like food stamps and healthcare benefits. It's designed to make sure people can achieve their full health potential, get full-time employment, and access to things like mental health care services. The city is still working to design the program and exactly how it'll work, but they do have several blueprints and data research that they're looking at from other pilot programs that have launched in dozens of cities across the country.
Providing a guaranteed income not only provides that assurance and that hand up that people really need in order to live well in our communities and thrive, but it also can change the way that we all understand what it really takes to be able to live in our Front Range communities, in the city of Boulder and in other communities, and just help meet people's needs in a much more efficient way.
And the next steps are bringing together a group of community members who are familiar with poverty prevention and policy. That way they can figure out eligibility requirements and target populations. Live in Boulder this morning, I'm Christian Lopez, Denver 7.
All right, Christian, thank you. If you paid state taxes, you and all Coloradans can now expect to receive at least $500 this summer, thanks in part to a bill signed by Governor Polis that will distribute those Tabor refunds earlier. Single filers will get at least $500 and joint filers will get at least $1,000. Polis says that amount is higher than originally expected because of the state's strong economic growth. Checks should arrive in August or September. Now, on the whole, the Federal Reserve says Americans' financial health reached its highest level in nearly a decade, thanks to a strong job market and stimulus payments. Almost 8 in 10 adults surveyed last fall said they were either doing okay or living comfortably. It's the highest proportion to say so since this survey started in 2013. The survey took place, though, before several major events, including Russia's invasion of Ukraine, which has led to even more price spikes.
At the same time, the wealth gap is widening. A new report by Oxfam shows a new billionaire was created about every 30 hours during the COVID-19 pandemic. 573 people became billionaires since the start of 2020, bringing the worldwide total to more than 2,600. Meanwhile, 263 million people are at risk of falling into extreme poverty this year. The widening gap is renewing calls for the U.S. to re-examine its tax laws.